Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to cut a circle in a board. First, find the center of the board by drawing diagonals from corner to corner and drilling a pilot hole with a 1/16 of an inch bit. I attached a simple jig to my laminate router board with a hole cut out for the router bit, screwed into the plastic of the laminate cutter. I'm using a 1/4 inch straight router bit. And we'll be using this measuring guide to control the depth of the cuts. I drilled a hole 5 inches from the router bit for a 5-inch radius or 10-inch diameter circle. I'll place a screw in the hole and screw it through the center point of the board that will be cut. We want to make sure the screw is long enough to penetrate the board below the board we're cutting. This will help secure the board in place so it won't slide around as we're cutting the circle with the router. Safety glasses for protection, and we'll set up for the first cut. I'll lower the bit 1/16 of an inch. I'll then lift up the laminate router so the bit clears the board. Turn on the router and slowly let the bit down to plunge cut into the board, and then begin the circle cut. We'll go slow, take our time, and allow the router bit to do its job. Going too fast will cause the router bit to heat up and can cause burns on the board. Sweep or blow away the dust and get ready for our next cut. Lower the router bit another 1/16 of an inch. Lift the router and bit, turn on the router, let it plunge cut into the board, and start on our second circle cut. And repeat for the third and fourth cuts. I'm cutting circle boards to make a simple turntable for some photography projects that I'm working on. I'm actually going to make 2 simple turntables, and I'll add links to those videos in the description below when those videos are posted. After the final cut, remove the screw to release the board from the baseboard. And the result is a nice round circle board. And finally, clean and smooth the edges with sandpaper. And if you like this video, please click the like button.